In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade volatility indices and forex indices using the Blueprint software. And this is an example of a signal in Volatility 251S. The software uses 6 rules. To understand the rules, you can check my previous video or a PDF about it. For now, you already know that the system gives an entry, a take profit, and a stop loss. And I want you to see the notification that you get so that we be able to know, using the new update on the Blueprint system, how are you able to trade. On the top left, we can see that we have the risk to reward well indicated, and the yellow line represents the stop loss, the green line represents the take profit, and our current price is the entry price for this signal. But let's check from the notification itself. You can see it is a confirmed trade buy, and then we get the symbol, which is volatility 25, the take profit, the time frame, that minute time frame, the take profit, entry price, stop loss, and leaks to reward. All are the things that you get from the notification. And this happens both in the PC and if you have installed it on a mobile phone. So let me show you how it works on the mobile. So the screen you are seeing right now is on my phone. So immediately the signal fires in the computer, I also get the same signal in my phone. If I have installed the Blueprint software inside my phone. And that means you do not need a computer to actually install the software. So here is the notification. Let me enlarge the phone screen so that you can see the notification that you get in a phone, either iPhone or Android. So once the signal happens, you get a notification like this. And if in case you enlarge the signal, you see it is the same signal, confirmed by symbol, volatility 25, time frame 30 with take profit, stop loss, and risk to reward. So you can actually trade from your phone. And this is applicable for volatility indices, forex indices, that is the forex pairs, and the stock indices. So all those markets you can trade using the phone with this kind of analyzation. It's good also to watch more videos about the Blueprint software so that you can understand how it works, and it is very good when paired to a fair value gap. So, and after that, you just execute your trade, set your take profit, set your stop loss, continue with your work as normal. And it's as simple as that to actually trade with the Blueprint software when trading this type of market. One thing, but you should also notice that we do not take trades with a risk to reward of less than 1:1. For this one is 1:1.4. So at least that one is a good trade. But if it is less than 1:1, we do not actually take that trade. So for this one, I'm saying it will give me around $66. And you just do that comfortably. Execute the trade. Forget about the market. Get even out of the site. Just execute the trade. And I can tell you for sure, for a fact, that you'll be consistently profitable. Just execute the trades, put take profit, stop loss, close the computer to avoid being emotional, and just wait. With good risk management and the system's win rate, you are good to go. And it's a simple way to trade. And let me know if there is anything else you'd like to know about the Blueprint software.